everyone, so welcome back to our YouTube channel Coding Master. So today we will create a responsive team section card using CSS Grid. So let's start. So as you guys can see on our output screen, I create two cards with some detail like some text, title, and heading with some icons. So first of all we will check the responsiveness of these cards. So I just change the screen dimension, and you guys can see these cards are responsive, and it looks amazing, it looks beautiful. So let's create these amazing team section card using only CSS Grid. So let's jump to the code. So welcome back guys. So now we will write the code and understand that how we create these types of amazing team section cards using CSS Grid. So let's start. So first of all I write the div with the name container, in which I will write all the code. So now I will again write a div with name box. Div class box is the first div in which I will put the first card. We will create the first team section card. So now after this I will put the image of, and for this I will create a div tag for image, and image src 1.jpg. I will save the file, and as the image comes, it is too large, we will set this. So now after image I will add heading in the card. You can add anything in the card as per your choice. It's totally up to you. So after this I will add a title, web developer. Now I will add a paragraph, some text. I just copy paste it and save it. So you guys can see the output: member name, web developer, and some text. Okay, so after this I will create a div section for icons. Simply I will create a div section for icons. Now for icons I already put a link in this one, and you guys can use this link, copy this link from font some icons website. So just copy these links from the website, and now and after that use the icons as per your choice. So now I will create some icons: I class FAFA Facebook, control S, it is important. So you guys can see the Facebook icon comes. So now after this I will just copy it to create more icons, because the code is same. We just have to change the icon name. So second icon is Instagram. Okay, and third one is Twitter. Fourth is LinkedIn. Okay, great. As you guys see the output, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. This looks amazing. Okay, so now our first card is ready. Now we will create the second card, and for this we just copy this code, because these all are same. So just copy this code of first card and paste it. Now we just change the image, and after this we change the title to graphic designer. Text is same and the links are icons are same. So just save it, and first here is the image, after this all these things. Now the HTML code is complete, and I think you guys easily understand the HTML code. It is very simple, not so much difficult, so it's simple. Now we will write the CSS code. So let's do. So first of all, I write body tag. I write some CSS for body tag. First, margin 0, padding 0. I write display flex. Justify content center. Align items center. मैंने इसलिए यूज़ किया है क्योंकि टीम जो कार्ड्स हैं हमारे उनको सेंटर में करने के लिए. ओके, सो ये जो आप कोड देख रहे हैं, डिस्प्ले फ्लेक्स, जस्टिफाई कंटेंट, अलाइन आइटम सेंटर, सो मेनली दिस कोड इज यूज टू सेंटर द आइटम, सेंटर एनीथिंग. ओके, ग्रेट. सो आफ्टर दिस I write minimum height, minimum height 100 VH, sorry, yeah, 100 VH. Now I will change the background color, black, hashtag 222. Great. Okay, background color has been changed. Now I will write some code for the container. First of all, I will set the width of the container with 700 pixel. I think it's enough. Now the height will be auto. Now I will set the margin 0 and auto. So now here I will use the CSS grid. So first of all, I will write display grid. Now I will create columns. So grid template columns. I will use the repeat function to repeat or auto fit minimum max 280 pixel 1 FR. Now what is this? So basically we create a columns with using the repeating function. So जब अभी हमने दो कार्ड्स क्रिएट किए हैं, तो रिपीट ऑटो फिट मिन मैक्स 280 पिक्सल का मतलब यही है कि 280 पिक्सल की दोनों कार्ड्स आपस में डिवाइड हो जाएंगे, एंड इनके बीच 1 FR का गैप होगा. सो बेसिकली using these two lines we will create a amazing team section card using CSS grid which is responsive. Okay, so now I write grid gap 10 पिक्सल. इससे क्या होगा कि जो हमारे कार्ड्स होंगे उनके बीच में 10 पिक्सल का गैप आ जाएगा. आल्सो पैडिंग 10 पिक्सल. Now box sizing, border box. Great. So first of all, we have to set the image so that we can see the output clearly. So first of all, container, image, image. So I put the image 100 pixel, width 100 pixel, and height 100 pixel, margin top 20 pixel, border radius 50%, yeah 50%, and border 5 pixel solid, and a color, red color. Oh, that's great, it looks amazing. As you can see, ये 280 पिक्सल के दो सेक्शंस में डिवाइड हो गए हैं पूरी स्क्रीन में, एंड इमेज भी हमारी सेट हो चुकी है. नाउ जस्ट वी हैव टू राइट CSS फॉर द कंटेंट, एंड विच इज़ वेरी सिंपल. सो लेट्स डू इट. So now I will write CSS for the container box. So first of all, position relative, and now I will change the background color of the cards. So 241, 238. You can also write the color name, no problem. Okay. Oh, this is not 41, this is 241. Now it looks great. And I give some padding, 10 pixel, 30 pixel, and 30 pixel. Oh great, it looks great. Now text align center, and overflow hidden. Also change the border radius to 30 pixel. As you can see, it looks great. So now we write some CSS for heading. So just simple dot container dot box, after that h1 heading. Heading, so first of all we change the font size 25 pixel. Now font weight 600. After this we will change the color to 38, 54, and 8. Okay, so now change the transform, so text transform up to uppercase. Also change the font family, Poppins Sans Serif. Oh, it looks great. Now margin, give some margin. So I think not margin, no, not, already there is a gap between image and the text. Okay, so now write some CSS for the title. So simply S2, font size 17 pixel. Now we'll change the color, hashtag 222 up to black. Change the text transform to uppercase. Give some opacity 0.4. Z index not inherent. I will give 1, and some letter spacing 0.1 em. Great, it looks great. I will put this font family in the body section so that it applies to all the content. Oh great, now it looks great. Also I remove this from H1. Okay, so now I will write the code. Oops, sorry. Now I will write the code for paragraph. First of all, I will change the color to black, then font size 15 pixel. After that, line height 20 pixel, and give some spacing between letters, so 0.1 em, and top padding, so padding top 20 pixel. Great, it looks amazing. Okay, so now we will set the icons. So first of all I will change the text decoration to none, and change the font size of icons 25 pixel, and give some padding, so padding top 10 pixel is enough, so it looks amazing. After this we will change the icons color and over effect, so let's do it. First of all I will change the color to #222, means black. Now give some padding between the icons, so 10 pixel. After this give some margin left 5 pixel, and text align center. It looks amazing. So also I will add a over effect on the icons, so just change the color to 38 54 and 8, and add a transition all 15s. Oh wow, it looks amazing. So your team section card, responsive team section card is ready. As you can see, it looks amazing, it looks beautiful. So using simple HTML and CSS, simple CSS grid, using simple CSS code grid, so you guys can easily create these types of amazing team section cards, which is a great practice to improve your skills, HTML and CSS skills. So just try this once, create these types of team section cards. Okay, so thank you so much guys, and keep supporting like this. And if you like the video, so make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such amazing content. So thank you so much guys.